from the lakes of northern Canada to the Gulf of Mexico. Wherever fish are biting, that's where we're gonna go. There's a lot of exciting country just waiting to be explored. So join us now in the great outdoor world of Virgil Ward.
Hi folks, and welcome back to beautiful Clear Lake, Iowa. Man, have we got something for you today. We've had this before, but this is kind of a special little motor. It's a British Seagull 40 Plus Mark II, 3 horsepower, and was built in October 1973. It's a model FPL. And a lot of you people that know the British Seagull motors, this was the best outboard motor for the world. They sold in England they sold these motors to a lot of the third world countries like in Africa, and they could bolt this motor onto their wooden rafts, their boats or whatever. And then they found out that they could use them on these sailboats here in the United States. So anyway, we picked up this motor. It's all original, it's never been touched. Just purrs like a kitten. And for a little 3 horsepower motor, boy, it really does it. We've always been the outboard motor OMC guys, you know, but we've got to run now. We're not talking about Japanese motors, we're talking about English motors. And this baby was something. Now we'll just crank it up once. We got it all set to go. Is everybody set here? Yep. Here we go.
Push it down.
Push it. We had a little problem.
You don't have to pull it that hard.
Had a little problem there, folks.
Don't pull it so hard.
Hell, I thought we were going to have to go ahead and swim after the motor. Here we go. Is that ever a 3 horsepower engine? Can you imagine that engine being put on a bunch of log rafts in Africa? No, not really. But it's on a nice little tracker boat right here. Look at that baby. Look at her pump water, Chris. I'll tell you, this motor here has never even been polished. This is exactly the way it came from the factory. And you know, at first, I want to tell you, girls, we first thought this was about an 1930 or 40 motor. We didn't know it. So after we bought it, was a 1973 motor.
Amazing. Wow.
They made it until then. They built them until then. But
Wow.
They don't build them anymore. I think the company went bottoms up. Maybe, I don't know. But they sold thousands and thousands of them. Let's put her on. Now, I'm going to give it the gas, so watch it scream. But here we give it the gas. Oh! Did I snap your neck? Oh, I'm sorry.
Hold on.
Oh, here we go again. Quite honestly, folks, I don't know if our good friend Virgil Ward would like this engine up to go fishing with or not. It doesn't just pick them up, lay them down like those OMC motors, but
That wasn't as much for fishing, though, I don't think.
no, I don't think so. I guess it's more for swimming around. Oh, let's screw it on. If everybody would get down a little bit, probably make this thing move a little bit faster.
Wow.
No, I didn't think faster either. you out for your antique outboard motor people out there. I know you're probably familiar with the British Seagull too. But doggone it anyway, they're great little motors. But I think we're going to pull up here a little bit.
Better get somewhere we can.
Yeah, we'll tie it up here. We'll find a place where, here's of course the great island here at Clear Lake. That's for here for perpetuity. Can we go right over there, do you think, Chris?
Yeah, pour it on.
There you go. Of course, naturally, it's a single cylinder. I think we're running under weed.
You know you're pushing it that way. The other way.
I think you know what we do. Let's shut it up a lot bit. Oh yes, I do have.
Gas pouring all over. Gas pouring all over. Gas is pouring all over.
Okay. Get that taken care of. Look at those little weeds there. Woo! I'll tell you. You know what we ought to do? We ought to just take just a minute and have a beer. I've got a deal here today. Put the glasses out there, and I'm going to start pouring some different beers. I'm going to pour some different beers. You guys won't know what these beers are. So don't show them now. Let's take a little shot out there now. I'm going to pour these different beers, and you tell me if you can tell which one is the Leinenkugel. Okay, now you try the beers. Actually, I'll eat 3 of them. Okay. Now, is that Leinenkugel?
No, sir.
Is that Leinenkugel, Chris?
No.
No.
Okay, you know what
No.
it is?
No.
Keystone Light!
Yeah.
Okay, we got one more. Put the glasses down there. Let me fill them up again now. Okay. Okay, this is going to be a real challenge now. Tell me again. Take a taste of it.
Oh.
What?
Oh.
You don't like it either? Oh my goodness. Well, you know what that was. Hell, that was good. Hold the motor up. That was motor up. That was push.
Yes.
I think we're going to be capsized.
Gas going all over. Turn the knob on the top.
Boy, I tell you, we got to run into some. We're running into some real emergencies here, folks. Hey, girl, can you get the oars out?
Hey, just snap the thing and let the motor up. Leave the motor up. Pull that down, snap it into place, and just shut the gas off. Here. Okay.
Okay.
Now we're in shape. Okay. Where were we now?
Just a minute.
No, we're in good shape. Where are we now?
Okay. Your last test now. We got one more test of beer. Okay, we've got it. We've got that test. Now, everybody take it. Krista, Mary, Chris.
Okay.
Try it now.
Oh,
What do you
I
think?
love that.
What do you think it is?
Woo, much better. It's
What is it?
Leinenkugel.
That's it. It's Leinenkugel Summer Shanty.
Oh, thank
my
God.
goodness.
Praise him.
Is there anything better?
Oh,
Let
no.
me fill you
her
up.
Perfect.
Fill you up. Okay. Oh boy. Oh boy. That's good, boy, I'll tell you. Boy, we're having a pretty good time, I'll tell you that. I won't hit anybody with me. Oh my goodness. We're right up next to shore here, Chris.
Wind this up.
Huh?
We gotta wind it up.
Okay, folks. You know, we've had a couple disasters, but I'll tell you, this little motor here is still a neat little engine. And anyway, as Virgil Ward would say, don't get a British Seagull to go fishing with. Go OMC and bring your light and cool beer. Anyway, we have fun doing this, and as Virgil Ward, our good friend, would have said if he was here right now, so long folks, and good fishing to you, babe.